COVID-19. Buhari receives Pfizer booster jab. President Muhammadu Buhari on Tuesday received his third booster dose of the COVID-19 vaccine for presidential villa for Abuja. TMC TV reports say Buhari don fit take him first jab of vaccine for March 6 and the second jab for May 2nd. Suhab Rafidadi, wey be the personal physician to Buhari, na him administer the latest vaccine to am. Executive Secretary, Primary Healthcare Development Agency, Fiasa Shuaib, yarn tori pipo say Buhari don demonstrate leadership by taking the booster jab. Shuaib reassured citizens say the COVID-19 vaccine dey safe and available for those wey wish to benefit from am. E con tell pipo wey no wan take the vaccine to comot the conspiracy theory as the vaccine dey safe for pipo. From Abuja, Osarugwe Monday for TMC News.